So if you're looking for a fast, easy way to look a lot younger, I've been trying this, you guys, and I've been seeing results like overnight. Guys, so it's so easy to use. It comes charged, but they give you this great cord. You just put that in there like this. And then you just get your, if you have a USB thing, you plug it up, it'll light up inside. You'll know it's being charged. It's already charged, but I just want to show you guys the inside of that. And the lid is so easy. And this is how they look. You've probably seen a lot of them on Instagram and TikTok, and they do really work. The only thing about these, you do not want to use it for a long period of time, in that one area. And I am not in the medical field. I'm just explaining what works for me. So if you have any health problems or issues, please read the fine line before using this product. They were nice enough to send me this whole kit, you guys. So as you know, it came inside the box here with the charger, and then all the great little stickies. And I love it, this vitamin C serum. So you could put that on before and after, and vitamin C has so many great benefits, as you see right here, all the great benefits that the vitamin C serum can do for your face. Yes. Look at the box, what it says. What a great way to, the path to healthy skin, finally clear. I love it, right? It's really nice. Packaging, very quick shipping. That's one thing what I liked about this company. And this is their Instagram right here. Please make for sure you check it out. This video is not no commission in my pocket or anything like that. I just really wanted to go in detail and to really find something that can really help benefit you guys, and that helps me, because I always had problems underneath my eye with the melasma and just lack of sleep, and being a YouTube editor, I'm always on my computer screen or on my phone. So I'm really happy that I found something that actually really helped me, and I didn't have to spend so much money out of pocket. This is a very affordable. And the crazy thing about this wonderful item is when you go get a facial from a spa place, like, to get this kind of treatment is very extremely expensive, like at least 500 or plus. It matters what city you are. So I'm happy that I really found something that I can use at home that works, and it's easy to use, not a lot of equipment needed. Yeah, go ahead and try it out, you guys. Website's right there. I did receive 5 packages, and each of the packages is 2 sets. So I guess I got a full 10 individual ones, but 5 complete sets, if that makes sense. So I could do this 5 times. I don't know if these are reusable, but if you leave a message on their Instagram, I bet they will reply back in quickness, and then you will know what to do. Alright, so now let me introduce this vitamin C serum. Okay, the next thing that will help you with under eye dark circles. It's about that time to unpackage the wonderful serum. I'm just curious of how the thickness is. I know I have not used it yet, but I heard a lot of great information on using vitamin C on your skin. I like that they fully packaged it. I really like that they put the expiration date on the bottom of it, because even things you buy from Sephora, they're not putting an expiration date on it. They're just letting you guess when it expires. So I really like that. Oh, look how cute it is. I love that it's pink, you guys. It breaks it down of how to use it and being cautious of certain areas. And it says it hydrates and repairs, you know, your skin, and it's good. It's a facial serum. Let's see the thickness. Ooh. Yes, I like it, you guys. That is in a glass jar too. I love when they put it in good quality glass jars. It's going to last a lot longer. It says apply only 5 to 6 drops in the area with clean, you know, clean the area first for the best results. I'll apply a piece on my hand, as you guys see it right here. See if it has any smell. It smells like normal chemical, but I like that they didn't put any extra fragrance in it. It has a good slip. It's still slippy, but not oily. So as you see my other hand, nothing in this. It does leave moisture. I do see the shine. I can't wait to use it on my face. All right, so when it's plugged up, you guys, I just wanted to show you that it should show a blue light. I don't know if you guys can see the light right there, but it is like a bluish light, and that's how you know it's being charged and it actually works. And then I'll rotate the red lights going back and forth, so it's like showing that it's actually charging, and that's how you know it's working properly. All right, it's fully charged, and I put the jelly pads on the device and I place it right underneath my eye where it's contoured around my eyes. The device will automatically turn itself off in 10 minutes, painless. So now it's time to reduce wrinkles and dark circles, remove puffiness and my eye bags, improve my tone and eye contour, and now it's time to look younger within 2 weeks. And I'm so excited that you guys took time to watch this video. Please make for sure you watch more of my videos and give this lovely video a thumbs up. I really highly appreciate it, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already to see what other videos I have in store for you.